In medieval times, king will create a deep trench filled with water around their castle with only one entry via drawbridge controlled from within castle. When enemy comes, they will retract the bridge and now there is a deep and wide pit full of water between the enemy and the castle. This is called moat. An economic moat is a competitive advantage company have over their competitors. Lots of businesses are supposed to have good moat around their businesses, be it Coca-Cola, McDonald's, or in Indian context, Fevicol and Asian Paints. Asian Paint is a classic example of business moat. Whenever we want to paint a wall, only one brand comes into our mind, and that is Asian Paints. They have won the battle and don't have to fight that much to acquire the market share. Along with their excellent execution network, they have made quite a solid moat around their business. If you look at the market share of paint industry, Asian Paints took the major pie with 70% share in 2023. Next big player is Birla Paints at 18% along with Nerolac at 15%. Nowhere close to the giant. Although the giant is sleeping as it has given no return to their investor from last 4 years amid valuation concerns and bigger threat of losing market share to a new entrant. So how do you attack a castle who has a big moat? The best option is to not attack at all. Castles with big moats are like prison. If attackers have large enough forces, they can stop the castle from being resupplied and starve the defenders into surrender. In history, sieges can last well over a year before reinforcement can break the siege or defenders are starved out. Same kind of tactic will be deployed to break a business moat. Another business with deeper pockets will take aggressive approach to take market share, which will drive down margins for the entire industry. In this case, our story revolves around Aditya Birla Group, an Indian giant business group having successful businesses in various sectors. Aditya Birla Group entered the paint industry with the launch of Birla Opus in 2024 with an investment of 10,000 crore against the industry size of 70,000 crore. They are ready with big force in their hand and let the castle starve for market share. How the siege will play out, we must see once the data starts coming. Similar thing is happening now in wires and cable industry. Although this market is quite scattered with no major players standing out. Polycab is market leader with 22% market share, while other players follow closely. When in a commodity sector, a major conglomerate enters, you can expect some major disturbances. Aditya Birla Group recently announced their entry into wires and cable market with an investment of 1800 crore over 2 years. Birla is preparing a product chain which is in line with their core business, from cement to paint and now wires. They want to unlock the value chain of residential and commercial real estate sector. With their strong dealer network, they are well poised for a long battle ahead of them. It will be quite interesting to see these two sectors for next 5 to 10 years as their fundamental structure changes. Are you invested in any of these companies? Share your own opinion in the comment section. Thank you.